for buying this 15792 RV pipe from FixtureDisplays. This set comes in two tubes. One is the connection tube, the other is the extension tube. You have two ends, and the length of each tube is about 5 feet long, but after stretching, the extension distance is 15 feet on each tube. So the whole set will give you 30 feet length. Diameter is 3 inches and come with 4 caps. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. The entire set weighs about 4 pounds, a little shy of 4 pounds. The 4 caps each work with the perspective ends. The one with the thread work with the one with the thread, and then the other identical two pieces go to the connection end, and the one with a socket work with the extension cap. It is highly recommended to keep the hoses capped when not in use and in storage. And when you are ready to use them, remove all caps before connecting to your RV and the storage tank. You want to consider keep all these parts in a bucket so they don't mix with other household items on your RV. And this is how you would connect the cap, as well as same fashion connect to the RV exhaust outlet. I encourage you to browse FixtureDisplays.com for other products and services we have to offer. Please consider subscribe, like us, and feel free to share this video on your social media network. You can extend this as you need them. This is fairly sturdy build at 4 pounds. This has a decent amount of material went into this set of holes. And remember, you want to do your black tank first and then your gray tank so that the clear water can wash the holes. Once again, thank you for choosing FixtureDisplays.